Hello and welcome back to Tot Teaches Math. Well, today we're talking about mean, also known as the average. And guess what? It's just math way of being fair. So, grab your pencils, your iPads, your laptops, and we're going to dive right on in. All right, so the mean tells you what everyone would get if you was to split everything equally. Now, let's say, for example, these are your test scores: 78, 84, 90, 72, and 96. Our first step is going to be to add all these up. They're going to equal 420, okay? Our second step is going to be to divide 420 by the number of test scores. So when I count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to divide by 5. And over in the corner, we could do like a quick division box if you like. All right, so 5 go into 4, 0 times. 5 go into 42, 8 times, because 5 times 8 is 40. And we're going to subtract 40 from 42, which leaves us 2. We're going to bring down our 0 here. And I know that 5 times 4 is going to be 20. 20 take away 20 is 0. So our answer is going to be 84. So the average score of all these scores we added together is going to be 84. That is the average. Okay? Now remember, mean equals the total of all the numbers divided by the number of values. So remember, the mean is also just the average, and it's all about being fair. So if this video helped you out, hit the like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. This is Tot. This is real math, real talk, real easy. See you next time. Bye-bye.